In this example, I'd like you to go ahead and draw this sketch. There's a couple of things that I might do to help you out here to start though. Let's just drop this down. That's the view I want you to draw it in, the z-axis going up, because that's how a bottle would stand up. But I'm going to drop this around on its side, so I've got a little bit of room to see it better and work with it. These dimensions are a little big possibly there, so I could come up here to decrease font size and just drop those fonts down. See how that makes them a little smaller? Now this still may be too big. So what you can do is come over to these dimensions, just pull that over to the other side. See how that just jumps across? And now you have a little bit more room for the dimension to move. Let's just go back and fit that. Now, once you have your sketch done, just roll that over on its side, come over to the select command, grab the region, grab the blue ball, turns orange, and drag it over to that axis. Anywhere along this axis, you can see when it locks to it. And I'm going to spin that around, revolve, extend type 360. Now, the bottle doesn't look that good right now. But if you come up to the round command, it's amazing how much the round command can make this look more realistic and legitimate. So round edge, let's start with this circle right here, and we'll type in 255. Come to the next round and type in 355. And let's add a round on the base here of 8, just something small. Might look more authentic if there was a cap on the top, but before we do that, let's go back to the thin wall command. Thin wall, and I'll identify the opening here. And what size should we make that? Let's go with 6. So 6 for the thin wall thickness. Now when I zoom in on this, the bottle doesn't looks not circular, it looks like almost like a polygon. So what's happening here, to speed up the system, this is the resolution they use. But at any time you want, you can improve that. If we just come up to view, then come over here and it says sharpen. So I'm going to click on the sharpen command, and watch what happens to what looks faceted. Click on sharpen, and there's an option here too, sharpen set. It's on 3. I'd like to go finer. This is a small part and my computer's fast enough, so I'll click on finer, and now that looks a lot better. It looks round, not polygons. Come over back to the home button, circle, and I'd like to sketch on this top face, so I'm going to lock, come to the center, and I'm just going to add more of a cap or a lid here. Let's just go out to 83, not too much bigger. I'm going to pick up this small region right there, and we'll drop that down. Now obviously I want to turn off symmetric, so that's off. And we'll just drop that down a certain distance. Let's just go 40 for this example. I'll turn off my PMI, my base. So there's my finished bottle.